Have you ever wondered how just $100 could change your future? I mean, not big capital, not special connections, not miracle ideas, just about the amount of money you'd spend on a single night out. And what if I told you that money, when used correctly, could quietly start generating income for you? I can already hear you thinking, come on, what can $100 do? Well, that's exactly what you're going to learn in this video, because the 5 passive income ideas I'll show you today aren't things people skip because they lack money. They skip them because they don't see the opportunity. And if you watch until the end, you'll see things that will make you say, I wish I had started earlier. Most people misunderstand passive income. They think it's some kind of game for rich people. But here's the real truth. Passive income is a journey where small beginnings turn into big outcomes. Do you know what the real problem is? People either think they don't have enough money or they don't know where to start. That confusion is exactly why the first step never happens. And in this video, we're making that first step visible. I'm going to show you ideas that are simple, global, and long-term, and things you can start even with $100. So yeah, the excuse, I can't do it, doesn't work anymore. Now imagine this, you wake up tomorrow and your phone shows a notification saying, passive income received. It may not be a life-changing amount, but it's the kind of step that makes you say, wow, I can actually do this. And that step is the whole purpose of this video. Here comes the first problem that stops people. Most people keep their money in the wrong place, still using accounts that don't earn, still zero interest, still the let it just sit there mentality. But that's exactly how money loses value. Even $100 sitting in the right account means it starts working for you quietly. The funny part is this. People skip this option because it feels boring, but the wealth of rich people grows from boring things. Simple tools that work every day, consistently, effectively. And if you're saving or managing money for the first time, this simple step is the easiest way to prepare yourself for passive income, because those tiny earnings pull you into a more disciplined level. Then we come to the investment barrier. People still think, this company's stock is too expensive, I can't buy it. But that's no longer true. No matter where you live in the world, you can buy slices of a stock for $5, $10, $20. So even if you can't buy a full share with your $100, you can still benefit from that company's growth and even from the dividends it pays. And here's the beautiful part. Dividends are one of the quietest forms of passive income. They start small, but grow over time. One day you look at your account and realize your small investments are giving you something extra every month. It's like having a tiny engine in your pocket that keeps running while you sleep. Then comes another misunderstanding. I can't lend money to anyone. Actually, you don't have to approach someone personally. With micro-lending platforms, you can do this with even $25, $30 pieces. You split your $100 into 3 or 4 parts and lend it to different people or projects. As repayments come back, the interest returns to you. And the coolest part, you suddenly start to feel like a real player in the world of finance. Because what banks do on a large scale, you're doing on a very small scale. Sure, there's risk, just like any investment, but starting with $100 is both a tiny risk and an incredible opportunity to enter the game. Now let's get to one of the sweetest passive income opportunities the internet offers: print on demand. Meaning you can create and sell something without dealing with design, printing, inventory, shipping, none of it. Today, you don't even design the whole product. A simple text-only design is enough. Then the platform handles the upload, printing, shipping, and when a sale happens, you earn. That's where your $100 goes. Maybe a little ad budget, maybe a domain, maybe a simple tool. No stock risk, no production risk, no shipping, but earnings every time someone buys. Once you upload it, it can sell for years. That's pure passive income. But you know what the real magic is? Creating something once and selling it endlessly. Digital products are exactly that. This is where the power of your $100 becomes much more visible. Because a digital file you make once, like a checklist, a guide, a mini ebook, a Notion template, can be sold in seconds to someone anywhere in the world. No sending to the customer, no printing, no shipping. You create the file once, and every sale comes back to you as passive income. What people don't understand is this. It's simply turning your knowledge, your experience, or even a tiny solution into a digital form. Nobody expects you to be an expert. Even something basic works. And the best part is, you upload it once, forget about it, and when sales happen, money comes in. Now you'll notice this. Passive income isn't some privilege for rich people. It's the art of small steps making a big impact. All you need is to decide to start, because $100 may not be a fortune, but when directed properly, it becomes a habit, a system, a journey to freedom. The real difference isn't that first $100, it's what you choose to do with it. If you've watched the entire video, I can tell you this very clearly. You're already someone who's ready to take this path. Because most people give up at the start. They don't research anything, they don't try anything. But the fact that you're here, listening to these ideas, already puts you several steps ahead of everyone else. If you want, I can make a separate video where I explain step by step how you can scale each of these 5 ideas from $100 to $1,000 a month. Just say continue and I'll do it.